Hi, my name is Helen Sheehan, and I've lived here in Humboldt County for 30 plus years. Absolutely love it, would never consider leaving. Many years ago, I had a sore shoulder, and I went to see Dr. Shills, and so he took care of my shoulder. And over the years, this right hip began to hurt, and I kept putting it off because I, didn't want to have surgery. I was kind of afraid of it. But it got so bad that when I finally cried uncle, Dr. Shills was retiring, but told me about Dr. Kilgore. He's a dear man, and he listens carefully. I never felt rushed with him, answered all my questions, and as I said, I trust him totally and completely. And so I saw him, and because my hip was so painful at that time, I gave up Thanksgiving and had my first surgery Thanksgiving week of 2006.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Kilgore. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. So I originally met my patient Helen around 10 years ago when she was suffering from hip arthritis. She is a very delightful lady that had started to notice her hip arthritis really having an effect on her in life as far as the degree of pain she was experiencing. The procedure is the same regardless of your approach to it, but there is a great way to do it that's becoming very popular and successful. You can get up and walk around right away, so it's mechanically stable to put weight on as soon as we're done with the surgery. There's at least a little bit of soreness from the surgery, but the arthritis pain is gone right away. It's kind of like magic that as soon as they get up after the surgery, they don't have that pain that they've been experiencing.
The left hip, it deteriorated quicker. I didn't wait this time. I wanted to get it done the day before, actually. So I had it done, the second one done May 3rd, and again, I just did beautifully, and I am so grateful to Dr. Kilgore and his staff. I feel the staff at St. Joseph Hospital are, as I told them when I was there, you're like angels. I'm so happy to be here under your care and was treated, almost like royalty. It just changes your life. You're able to move again, and you don't have pain, and you can get up and down out of a chair and out of a car, and it's a miracle, and I just think we're so fortunate to live in a time when they can help us, and especially help us here locally so that we can stay close to home and friends.
A lot of people in Humboldt County are not aware of all the world-class services that we provide right here at home. We've been doing joint replacements here in Humboldt County for decades. The hospital does a ton of total joint replacements, both of the hip, the knee, and also my partner does shoulder replacements. So they're just very well set up to handle those kinds of procedures and to deal with the immediate hospital recovery.
The first one, I had surgery on a Tuesday. I was home on Saturday. This time, for the latest one, I went in on, I think, a Tuesday or Wednesday, and I was out on the third day. If I were a centipede with all those legs that needed hip replacement, I wouldn't hesitate to have them all replaced because I was treated beautifully in the hospital. It was a wonderful experience for me, both times.
So taking care of Helen has been a truly wonderful experience, and she was very appreciative afterwards, and really makes me feel blessed just to be a part of that, having a real drastic impact on them. And surgery is a big deal, so it's a very meaningful thing to patients when they get through that, and it really helps them out. And so it's been truly wonderful being part of that with Helen.